3, 2, 1. What is going on, everybody? Use random stuff here, and welcome back to another How to Redstone. We're going to be doing it with shaders this time because it looks cool. So today on the redstone is TNT. Now you might be thinking, useful, this is pretty self-explanatory. No, it's not. It's more complicated than you think. Let me show you. It can be activated with literally everything that produces a redstone output. Almost everything. Let me show you. TNT, you grab a lever and you light it. Boom. Alright, there you go. Wait. You put a pressure plate. Boom. Stone torch. Boom. Alright, it's so useful. Oh, look at that, it's magically day. What can you also use this for? Let me show you. Now, it's not as bad as it seems, okay? I'm not doing what you think I'm doing, okay? Yes, you can destroy a whole village with it. Let's be honest, we all did this as a little kid, okay? We all did this. We took a village and we just destroyed it with whatever we could. It didn't matter what it was, we destroyed it. Okay? Trees even. Ready for this? Boom, boom, boom. Boom. You ready? This tree's gonna go by in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Okay. You got no reason to not like this block, okay? But I think that's the whole thing. I think that's the whole video. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope you had a nice day. Hope you learned something today. Like and subscribe. See you all later. Bye-bye.